Lamont signed a bill today that he says will hold ICE agents accountable.
So it potentially further escalates Connecticut's fight with the Trump administration over immigration enforcement. NBC Connecticut political reporter Mike Savino joins us live from the Capitol in Hartford. Mike, what does this new law do?
Yeah, Amber and Kevin, we've been seeing both sides digging in their heels. Just last year, Democrats here in Connecticut expanded the Trust Act, which further limits cooperation on immigration enforcement. And then in April, we saw the White House sue Connecticut over that policy. And now Democrats say they're looking to hold ICE agents accountable.
There are a lot of folks that belong in the state. And that's what this law is all about. We love you. We care about you.
Governor Ned Lamont signed into law today a bill that allows residents to sue federal law enforcement in state court for civil rights violations. It requires warrants to make arrests in schools, houses of worship, and other protected areas, and it bans all law enforcement from wearing masks or hiding their identity. It's a direct response to conduct by federal immigration agents, including the deaths of 2 people in Minneapolis. Police officer Greg Howard says he and other Republicans would have backed a bill focused solely on federal agents.
And we don't understand why nobody wants to join the profession. I do, and it's things like this. If you have an issue with ICE, keep it about ICE. Leave our state and local cops out of it.
Republicans also question if federal courts will strike down a state law on how federal agents can work.
Anybody suggests that this defies federal law or nullifies federal law, that's garbage.
Democrats continue to position themselves as defending Connecticut against the Trump administration. Lamont started the legislative session telling ICE to go home. This bill continues that theme.
Connecticut is standing up because we know that the Constitution doesn't just apply to me and those who were born here, but it applies to everyone who's on this land.
They got their press release, they got their press conference, but in the end, there's going to need to be a lot of repairs to the damage that's been done for law enforcement in Connecticut.
It's one of the first bills that the governor has signed from this session. There's only 48 hours left for lawmakers to try to push through other bills and get them to his desk. Just this afternoon, the Senate unanimously approved reforms at the Department of Children and Families, now sending that to the governor. And tonight, they're expected to debate a much more controversial bill trying to create more oversight for homeschooling families. We'll have more on that coming up at 5. But for now, live from the Capitol, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.